Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here with my SN95 Mustang, and I'm on here to answer this question that I've come up with as far as the steering column being crooked. Geez, how many more times can I say the steering column is crooked, and we want to fix that. Now, when I say the steering column is crooked, I'm not talking about the steering wheel that is tilted or it doesn't line up when you're sitting with both hands at a 90 degree. I'm talking about in these cars, for whatever reason, they have a tendency to sit over, push towards the left, or as people get these cars and, they're a few years old now, things have kind of been pushed. I've noticed, or what I think somebody is getting out and pushing on the steering wheel to help get out of the car. And I think that is what causes this. I'm just speculating. So there's a couple rubber mounts or like little plastic bushings, I guess you could say. And then there's 2 bolts in the back you got to unloosen. So we're going to take a look at that right now. Let's see, get the light situated so you guys can see. There's one there. There's one on the other side down here. And then there's 2 up top here, if I can find them. Sorry about the cord. There's one right there. There's one down there. There's one there, and same up on the other side over here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and get those loosened up, and then the whole steering wheel moves. I mean, it moves back and forth. It moves a good amount. So you can do that and straighten that out as far as getting it off the one side. And that'll help. I don't know if it's going to make a full adjustment, because my research online says that they were kind of a little off from the factory. But it will help you at least get it lined up better, so when you're sitting in the cockpit, you're not like, oh, this thing's really sitting off to the side. So again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I kind of do videos on everything. I have a lot of fun, so we'll see you guys.